In front of me is POCO C40, and let me show you how to change wallpaper here. So at first, open the settings, then find and select wallpaper, and here you can choose the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. You can pick your local photos, recently used, pre-installed wallpapers, live wallpapers, and then online wallpapers albums. You've got all pictures grouped into categories. And for example, let me pick all categories to choose something interesting. As you can see, you will definitely find something suitable. And let me go, for example, with art. Let's see what's hidden here. And now just pick the picture that you wish to apply as your home screen. Let me pick, for example, this top one. Here you can just tap to preview on your home and lock screens, and if you wish to apply it, just tap on apply. Then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. I will choose both, and that's it. As you can see, from now on, this brand new picture is covering both your home and lock screens. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.